What's up, guys? We will be playing UPG.
Layo ka.
Yes. Collaboration with Nishi. Okay. One game. Title. Let's go.
I'm gonna say.
I apologize for the lag. I really apologize.
So, naghihintay ako sa pantadang tao.
What server?
Sa akin.
Okay.
Tapos gamit ko.
Okis.
Malever and shine. Basuko na.
You don't want no? Sawa ka na? I'm Filipino, if you know. First game. I will try to beat Kyle. Use freedom.
Na.
Oh man. I will use Hawk because that's the only style I have. Hawk style.
Nakikita nyo, ay wala akong mistake kasi nagpatay.
While fighting, I will teach you guys how to use Hawk.
Hindi ko marunong.
The first thing you need to know
Oh, nandito na nga
is
siya.
use your abilities for good, not for bad. Am I right?
Nandito na nga siya.
Use it smartly. I'm really sorry, guys, for the I apologize for the lag. No, sorry. Okay, he's here. Wait. I really apologize. Okay, I will show you. Okay, let's go. This is a tutorial.
Lag.
I apologize for the lag. I'm really sorry.
Lag.
Oh my god, I can't move. I can't move. I can't move, guys. Oh guys, I can move now. But I think it's lagging, or is it me or is him?
I can see your...
Tagalog na lang kaya. Ayoko, tatamad ako mag-English. Oh my god, sorry guys. Wait. I will fix it.